The secret to lasting health, patience, Eastern medicine. Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of traditional Eastern medicine. Things like acupuncture, herbs, and holistic practices that have been around for centuries. Now here's the thing. This isn't about quick fixes or overnight results. Eastern medicine is more like a journey, a steady, patient path toward real, lasting health. A lot of people only discover it after trying everything else, when they are tired of just covering up symptoms. But here's the good news. If you understand the core principles and stick with it, the rewards can be amazing. Better energy, deeper sleep, a calmer mind, it's all possible. In this video, I'll walk you through the key ideas step by step, in a simple and practical way, so you can see how these ancient approaches still fit perfectly into modern life. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Why people often turn to Eastern medicine as a last resort. Most of the time, people only start looking into Eastern medicine after they've already tried just about everything else. Chasing quick fixes. At first, it's usually about putting a band-aid on the pain. Got a headache? Pop a pill, stiff joints, take something to get through the day, but the relief doesn't last, running in circles. Many have gone through countless prescriptions, bounced from doctor to doctor, or experimented with every new treatment they hear about. Yet the same problems keep coming back, things like insomnia, fatigue, joint pain, dizziness, or even issues tied to the liver, reaching a breaking point. Eventually, when they are worn down and tired of the cycle, that's when they turn to Eastern medicine. It's actually a smart choice, but often people come in with the wrong mindset, expecting instant results. 2. The common misconception, expecting instant results like Western medicine. A lot of people walk into Eastern medicine with the wrong idea, the quick fix mindset. They think, just give me a few acupuncture sessions or some herbs and I'll be good as new, just like popping a Western pill. But here's the truth. Your body didn't get out of balance overnight. It often takes years of wear and tear, poor blood and chi flow, weakened organs, coldness settling inside, toxins building up, and your yin and yang falling out of harmony. No magic wand. So how can a handful of treatments possibly erase all that? Eastern medicine doesn't just cover up the pain. It works on restoring your body from the root, step by step, so real healing can last. 3. How Eastern medicine heals, focusing on the root causes. Eastern medicine doesn't stop at silencing the pain, it goes deeper, more than surface relief. Instead of just pressing mute on your symptoms, it helps reset your whole system. That means better blood flow, stronger organ function, smoother digestion, a calmer nervous system, and even deeper, more restful sleep. Balance for body and mind. By getting to the root, your body naturally finds its rhythm again. The result? More energy, fewer nagging aches, less stress, and a clearer, calmer mind. Everyday integration. Healing isn't just what happens at the clinic. It can show up in your daily life too, through gentle practices like Tai Chi, small shifts in diet, acupuncture, or herbs that nudge your body back into balance, one step at a time. 4. The key to success, patience, consistency, and proper care. Commitment over speed. Eastern medicine isn't about quick wins, it's about showing up for yourself day after day. Healing happens through steady, intentional steps, not a race to the finish line, nurturing from within. When you give your body the right kind of care consistently, it learns to self-correct. Over time, your system rebuilds its own strength, creating a natural shield against future problems. No shortcuts to real wellness. True health isn't something you can hack. It's something you earn through patience and dedication. And the reward? Lasting vitality, clarity, and balance inside and out. 5. Who thrives with Eastern medicine? The patient ones reap the rewards. Understanding leads to success. The people who really embrace this way of healing, the ones who stick with it, end up discovering a level of health that feels solid, vibrant, and grounded. They're not just managing symptoms, they are truly thriving. Practical ways to start. Begin simple. Add more balance to your meals. Think yin-yang foods. Try gentle, mindful movement. Or build small herbal routines into your week. Pay attention to how your body shifts, not overnight, but week by week as fatigue lightens and clarity grows. The long-term payoff. Over time, the changes run deep. Better sleep, fewer flare-ups, a calmer mind, and a stronger sense of well-being. That's the gift of consistency. At the end of the day, Eastern medicine isn't a sprint, it's a journey. If you're willing to invest in yourself with patience, the rewards are real and lasting. Approach it with an open mind, and you might just unlock a steady, radiant kind of health that feels truly yours. And hey, if you've got questions or want to dive deeper, I'm always here for you. 7 Natural Health Tips from Eastern Philosophy. The Simple Path to Health. Tip 1. The best way to expel cold energy, a simple foot soak. In Eastern philosophy, there's the idea of cold kai, basically chilly energy that can sneak into your system and leave you feeling sluggish, tense, or even mess with your circulation. One of the easiest natural fixes, soaking your feet in warm water. You can keep it simple, or toss in some Epsom salt or soothing herbs to really enhance the effect. Why it works? A warm soak relaxes your muscles, gets your blood moving, and helps ground your energy, making it especially great right before bed. And I love this reminder from Robert C. Peel. The best and most efficient pharmacy is within your own system. Sometimes the most powerful healing doesn't come from outside. It's already built into you. Tip 2. The best health habit: eat in moderation. When it comes to staying healthy, Eastern wisdom says this loud and clear: less is more. Among all the wellness practices, eating in moderation is king. That means focusing on mindful portions, not stuffing yourself, but choosing fresh, whole foods and enjoying them in balanced amounts. Think quality over quantity. Why it works. Overeating doesn't just weigh you down. It throws your system off balance and leaves you feeling sluggish. Eating moderately, on the other hand, helps your body digest smoothly, keeps your energy steady, and supports long-term vitality. Or, as Molière put it, one should eat to live, not live to eat. And Hippocrates echoed the same truth. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. In the end, it's about treating food as gentle nourishment, not indulgence. Tip 3. The best way to boost yang energy: sunbathe your back. If you're feeling low on energy or just a bit sluggish, Eastern philosophy has a simple solution. Let the sun recharge you. Spending 10 to 20 minutes with your back in the morning sunlight is one of the best ways to replenish your yang, that warm, active, life-giving energy. Why it works. The back is home to several key meridians in the body, and when sunlight hits them, it helps invigorate your kai, strengthen your immunity, and restore balance. Think of it as nature's gentle power source, free and available every morning. As Flying Hawk once said, nobody can be in good health if he does not have all the time fresh air, sunshine, and good water. And Deepak Chopra reminds us, the real secret to lifelong good health is actually the opposite: Let your body take care of you. By letting nature do its part, like soaking in the sun, you're giving your body the best chance to thrive. Tip 4. The best drink for daily health. Boiled water at room temperature. When it comes to what you drink every day, forget the sugary sodas or complicated super drinks. In Eastern wisdom, the ultimate choice is the simplest. Plain boiled water that's been cooled to room temperature. Why it works. Boiling purifies and gently energizes the water, and letting it cool makes it more harmonious with your body. Instead of shocking your system with ice-cold drinks or overstimulating it with too much caffeine, this simple habit supports digestion, hydration, and balance in the most natural way. As Napoleon I once said, "Water, air, and cleanliness are the chief articles in my pharmacopoeia." In other words, the basics matter most, and nothing is more basic or more healing than pure water. Tip 5. The best way to nourish Kai and blood: get enough sleep. If there's one thing your body can't live without, it's good, solid sleep. In Eastern philosophy, sleep is how your vital energy, your Kai and blood, are replenished. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in a dark, quiet, and cool room so your body can fully recharge and repair itself overnight. Why it works. Quality sleep restores balance, strengthens your organs, and keeps exhaustion from creeping in. Without it, your body struggles to keep harmony, and that's when illness shows up. As the Dalai Lama put it, sleep is the best meditation. And there's that old Irish proverb too: a good laugh and a long sleep are the best cures in the doctor's book. Both remind us that rest is more than downtime, it's a daily reset for body, mind, and spirit. Tip 6. The best aid for digestion. Take a walk. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to care for your digestion is by walking. After a meal, a light stroll, not a jog or workout, just gentle steps, helps your body process food smoothly and keeps everything moving without strain. Why it works. Walking stimulates your gut, reduces bloating, and supports steady circulation of energy. In Eastern philosophy, movement is medicine. It helps Kai flow freely, preventing stagnation and discomfort. As Cicero once said, "It is exercise alone that supports the spirits and keeps the mind in vigor." Lao Tzu would likely nod in agreement, since walking is the perfect symbol of flowing with life's rhythm, steady, natural, and balanced. Tip 7. The best overall nourishment. Cultivate joy. Out of all the tonics for health, nothing beats genuine joy. Laugh often, connect with people you love, and practice gratitude daily. These simple acts feed your spirit in a way no supplement ever could. Why it works. Positive emotions ease stress, balance your inner world, and strengthen resilience against illness. In Eastern wisdom, the mind and body are inseparable. When your heart is light, your health naturally follows. As the Dalai Lama said, "Happiness is the highest form of health." Voltaire agreed, "I have chosen to be happy because it is good for my health." Both echo the timeless truth that joy is medicine, and nurturing it is the key to lasting vitality. So we've just explored 7 simple yet powerful wellness tips inspired by Eastern philosophy. From soaking your feet, eating in moderation, soaking up the morning sun, drinking warm water, getting enough sleep, taking a walk after meals, to cultivating joy, these are all small steps that anyone can practice. The most important thing to remember is this: lasting health and a peaceful mind don't require searching far and wide. It's the ordinary actions and consistent daily habits that truly form the foundation of sustainable well-being. May you always find health, balance, and joy in the simple rituals of everyday life. And there you have it, traditional Eastern medicine in a nutshell. It's not a sprint, it's a steady walk toward true balance and wellness. If there's one thing to take away, it's this. Healing takes patience, consistency, and a willingness to nurture yourself from the inside out. So whether you're exploring herbs, acupuncture, mindful movement, or simply adjusting your daily habits, remember you're giving your body the space and time it needs to restore itself naturally. That's the beauty of Eastern medicine. If this video gave you something to think about, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Health for more simple, holistic tips on living well. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Until next time, take care, stay patient, and may you always find balance in both body and mind. Here's to you, may you apply these practices with ease, and may they bring you stronger health, a calmer mind, and a brighter spirit every single day.